Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open an online account on Bank of America. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Bank of America and click on this first website over here. And we can see this option called Open an Account. Simply tap on this and choose the account that fits you well. Now, click on Checking and Savings, so let's go for this one and click on Get Started. And you can choose any of these. Let's go for the first one. Now, enter the reg code and click on Continue. And if you want to add Bank of America Advantage Savings account, simply click on the tick mark. Or if you want a Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance Banking account, click on the second one. Here's the offer code, make sure you remember it and click on the tick mark over here and click on Go to Application. Since we are not an online banking customer yet, simply click on Continue as Guest. Now, enter your personal information, then enter the contact information and your address. After that, choose if you are a U.S. citizen and if you have dual citizenship. Now, choose your country of residence and enter the details about your employment and finance. And if you're adding a co-applicant, you can simply tick mark here and add another person as well. After you are done, simply click on Continue. After this, we'll get into further steps where we need to add our documents, and after that, we can create our username and password, which will be used to log in further. So, this is all we need to do to create our open online bank account on Bank of America. This is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.